Greetings all and welcome to another video. I think that it's fair to say that many of us often focus our interests on our favourite locomotives. The carriages and wagons behind them are often a secondary thought. Now, I know that this channel has a good number of subscribers who live outside of the UK or who, for a variety of reasons, are not able to visit many heritage railways. So, in this video, we're going to take a look inside of the carriages. Now, this particular set is one of the more modern at the Severn Valley Railway, the British Rail Mark Is. Now, I can hear some of you shouting out that the last carriage in that rake was not in British Rail livery. You're quite right. It's a Great Western Railway inspection saloon dating from 1948. So in actual fact, by the time it came into service, we were into the time of the BR Western region. It was used as the District Civil Engineer's mobile office and was also known as the Area Manager's Saloon. You can see very, very comfortable, nice little kitchen area there. We've got a desk in here. Great place for the railway bigwigs to hang out when moving around the railway doing their duties. Used as a little private charter saloon on the Severn Valley. Get your cream teas and that sort of thing. Stepping onto the main train now. This first carriage is a corridor second dating from 1957. By corridor second we mean that there are lots of these little second class compartments all joined together by a corridor running the length of the train. You can see there are 3 doors on each side of the train, at each end, and that little vestibule in the middle just there, and each compartment is designed to seat 6 people. Now that was only the case on the Midland and Eastern regions. We'll see an example of a Western region one a little bit later on. Toilets there. Now moving on to the next one is a 1961 corridor composite. So again, we have the corridor running all the way down the side of the train, but peeping into this compartment, you'll see it's a little more posh. It is in fact a first class compartment. The carriage is known as a composite because it contains both first and second class compartments. Now you'll see in the first class compartments, each individual seat had its own individually sprung cushion, whereas popping your heads round the second class, you'll see that the entire bench is formed from the same cushion. Okay, moving on now into a restaurant miniature buffet carriage. Has 11 tables seating 44 people. These were designed to be very, very basic. They would have been operated by 1 member of staff, and it would have been very basic snacks and drinks. So we're not talking restaurant quality food here. Moving on past some more toilets, we now enter a 1957 tourist second open. This area right here has been modified. Some seating has been removed to allow wheelchair users to be able to access the trains. You'll see rather than a corridor along the side of the train and compartments, we now have a gangway straight down the middle with seats and tables on either side. We now move into a 1958 brake corridor second. So again, we have the corridor going down the side of the train rather than the gangway in the middle. We just saw a lovely big area there for your luggage, and this little place is where the guard would be based. We have the big wheel there to put the brakes onto the train, and moving further down we have more second class compartments. Now, I don't know about you, but second class? That's way more comfortable than any train I have been on in modern times, let me tell you. Okay, right then. We're now into another corridor second. Dating from 1962, this one worked on the western region. Now, you'll remember I said earlier that in the western region, each compartment was designed to seat 8 people. Well, if we take a look into another one of the compartments, you will see that there are no armrests on these seats, so 8 people can be fit into the same space as 6 people could in those earlier carriages. Now, our final one of the day, I was trying the toilet there, but it was locked, so I couldn't show you inside that, is another tourist second open, dating from 1956, this one. This one was from the eastern region. So, there are no uncomfortable seats on these trains. To my eye, they're all quite posh. Okay, a little peep out the window now. We'll see the loco. There she is, Hagley Hall. What an absolute beauty. Now, we've looked inside the carriages, so here you are. Take a look onto the footplate of a Great Western Railway Hall while you're at it. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and, of course, see you next time. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Cheers. Bye-bye.